Hey people, just gonna do a quick vlog of Derby train station and the British Transport Police. Just at Derby train station. So this is Derby train station. Gonna do one of the British Transport Police in a minute. Sponsor a minute. So just gonna do one of the British Transport Police. I got the train to Derby today. I'm also gonna go to the market hall as well, so it's public accessible, so anybody says anything I just say to them not jumped any barriers. So that's the back end of the Midland Institute building. It's gonna come through the side. So that's the back end of Derby train station. I'm gonna do a live in a minute anyway. That's a Derby British Transport Police. It's quiet, so I don't think anybody's gonna say anything, but that's Derby British Transport Police. Just gonna have a look if there's any information, but that's one of the new Persians. I'm at the back end of the train station anyway. That's the information of the British Transport Police. Yeah, just in Derby today, so that's a bit more information. Alright, just a quick one. Cheers, peeps.